Hey guys, Trina here, back with another painting demo. Today I'm going to be mixing up some Mayspring paints with some matte medium. I have the Royal Gold, the Mermaid Dust, and the Peach Gold. And these colors are a slightly metallic in the pigments, and we're going to be adding these to the bowls with this matte medium to make some acrylic paint. There might be a better way to do this, but this is just how I do it. I just like to get the paint to the consistency of pudding so I can use my catalyst scrapers to apply it to the canvas. So here I'm just mixing the paint. Look at that beautiful color. So awesome. And when it dries, it has a clear iridescent finish to it, which is really nice. So here is just a slow-mo because I like slow-mos. I hope you like slow-mos. I do way too many of them probably, but it's fun to watch paint drip into things, I think. And then I'm just stirring this into the Peach Gold, which is a really cool color. As you can see, these canvases have already been painted on, and I'm just using it this almost as a glaze because it's so thin. It's thinner than actual paint. I mean, I guess I could make it thicker, but I like using it this way because it's adds the iridescent quality to it without it being super, super thick. So these paintings are a commission, a triptych that I'm working on, and they're almost done to be delivered hopefully this week because I want to get them finished and start on something new. So as always, remember to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the bottom. And also, tomorrow I'll be uploading, excuse me, a piece that I made on paper, watercolor paper, with some of this leftover paint. So until then, have an amazing day, happy Monday, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.